kwa mmadụ n'ọkwụnụma onye mee nke ọma ebunie ya elu si ya jide nke o ji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene na Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ego adị Eze-Ana ugochitubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ego adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị ugochitubelu ga-adị ugochitubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back ndị oche eri anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo anyị abịakwanụ n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụ nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu na-anọ n'isi ya n'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu maka ndị ọ bụ taa bụ izizi ha na-afụ m na soshal midia maọbụ n'eziokwu TV ma ọ bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu na oraifite dị na Anambra steeti abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration na Evangelical Mission bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji maka ya wee bịa bụ negative energy and how to clean yourself. Negative energy and how to clean yourself. Ọnya ka anyị ji wee bịa. Then mana before anyị gama n'iru ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa yes aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa June anyị ga-achịkọta ya ụbọchị ikpeazụ nke ọnwa sesọ ndị sonyere na ya bụ aja ga-enweta ihe onyonyo nchịkọta ya dịka isi malụ anyị anaghị esho ihu ọrụ na soshal midia maọbụ n'eziokwu TV yes aja mbụ n'elu aja ịpụta ihe aja esigoro na ya bụrụ imirikite ndị mmadụ elu ihe anyị na-eme na anyị na-ewere ya 3 prayer request debe n'ọta na-achụ aja na-aga ọfọ na-ekwubi okwu n'isi gị sịsọ ndị sonye na ya bụ aja ga-enweta ya bụ ihe onyonyo ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na ya bụ aja nke ọnwa Julaị ebukube gị ifọwọdụ ya 3 prayer request mee token donation to the account number ịchatizie m na WhatsApp agwa gị other details I need from you in order to book you ka bụ ihe ị kwesịrị ịma then nke ọzọ nchọ ka nkọwaziere gị bụ na n'isi ụtụtụ ejego Orimba temple chụọ aja nke ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile sonyere anyị n'oge awa nke eziokwu a yes isi mmadụ dum distance abụrụ ebara ị nwere ike isonyere anyị n'ebe ọ bụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum distance abụrụ ebara ya na ọrụ anyị na-alụ maọbụ n'afọ anyị na-agba na temple ụbọchị ikpeazụ anyị na-egoro ihe ọnụ na-eri jee na mmiri chụọ aja n'afọ mmadụ niile jeje n'ebe nchụaja gbuo anụ dị iche iche to entities of powers nọ na temple ndị na-agagharị na-eme mma jee n'ebe nchụaja gbuo ebulu wee mesara aka aka tie yu na ike dị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike na ka anyị kọwaziere ihe maka ihe anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa So ọ bụrụ na ị interested isonye na ya, ihe ị ga-eme wee chaachị na WhatsApp, ị forward ya 3 prayer request, then mee token donation to the account number. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672, ma ọ bụkwa 08138243871. I repeat 08138243871. Na ka anyị gabazie n'ihu na nkụzi anyị ji wee bịa. Dịka anyị si wee na-achọ ka anyị ịghọta isiokwu anyị ji bịa taa, anyị kwuo ya negative energy and how to cleanse yourself. Mana mma like ị digress a little bit maka ndị ọ bụ taa bụ izi ha na-esonyere anyị na our social media platforms ma ọ bụ n'eziokwu TV. Anyị ga-ebidogoro nke mbụ, gịnị bụ negative energy? Negative energy bụ ihe ndị Igbo kpọrọ ọrụ akwụ ma ọ bụ ụchụ. Negative energy a enwere so many ways eji enweta ya. Ihe nchọ ka digress a little ka iwe nwee ike ka anyị nwee ike wee carry everybody along. Negative energy is negative vibration. You can get it by your way of life. You can get it by the type of company you keep. Yes, but negative energy is something that will destroy your life. Negative energy will bring many backwardness to you. Negative energy will bring disappointment. Negative energy will bring what will look like people are looking down on you. People can promise you and later they change their mind because they are not seeing you as worthy to receive that such blessings. So negative energy, whenever you see yourself surrounded by negative energy, believe in me, you need to do something very, very fast. Negative energy will bring every negativity around you. Nothing positive will go your way. So whenever you notice that you are experiencing this negative energy, try as much as possible to cleanse yourself up. Negative energy is in many parts, in many ways. I will explain. There is negative energy that can come to you as a result of sacrilege committed against holy things, yes, or beings. So that one is we call it in Igbo language. Then we have another negative energy, form of negative energy, by the way you live your life. The negative energy you are attracted to yourself by way of living. Maybe you are a type that you live careless life. Yes, because negative energy is attractable. You can get it from the type of company you keep. If you are keeping negative people with negative vibration around you, believe in me, you will be contaminated. Yes, so you know the type of person you keep as friends. Yes, person or persons you keep as friends, because they will contaminate you. Every world religion understands perfectly about negative energy. That is why in Igbo spirituality, before you present yourself before the gods, you cleanse yourself up. Even in other world religion, before you are coming to the presence of God, yes, or the gods, you cleanse yourself up. Let me use our brothers and sisters that you normally see around, the Muslims, the Eze-Ana. Remember, before they will present themselves in prayers, yes, they must do cleansing. Cleansing can use many things to do your cleansing. You can do cleansing by having a thorough bath. You know, they say cleanness is next to godliness. So having your bath is one of the ways to cleanse yourself up. But if you are not in a position to do that, you can use water to wash your face, to wash your hands, you know, and some other parts of the body. That is why even if you see our Muslim brothers, before they pray, they wash their face thoroughly. They even wash their ear. In case if there's any negative thing they hear with their ears, they wash it off. Now, they wash their ear. They put more water on their mouth. Yes, to wash their mouth if for any reason they speak ill or anything that will attract negative energy. Now, they wash their feet. If there's any way by going around, then if there's any way they contaminated themselves. So, it's something everywhere. So, it's just a symbolic act. Call it symbolic act. but it's a symbolic art that has spiritual meaning. Yes, because the way you present yourself before God will show even the entities of powers that actually you value, and they appreciate the fact that you are given privilege to stand before them. So those symbolic art is very important. In Igbo spirituality, we have so many things we use to cleanse ourselves. Yes. So I will not mention all, because sometimes if I mention all, sometimes you will not know them. So I would like only to mention the ones that are so common to you that you can see. So like something like ugurisi and the alligator pepper, we call it osoji in Igbo language. Some of those, these two particular two is very common, but we have other many. We have many of them. So I will explain when time comes. So what I'm telling you is this: pay attention so that you will not use your hand to attract negative energy that will destroy you. The way you live your life, maybe the company you keep, maybe you are jumping from Peter to Paul, maybe from Agatha to Victoria, and rest of them can attract those negative energy. Because as you know, every human being has vibration and the energy the person radiates. So when you are gambling from somebody that radiates, example, I wanted to use color to paint a picture of what radiation is all about. Some people, do you know these 7 colors of rainbow? Yes, that is exactly how human being differs. Some radiate red, some radiate blue, some radiate green, some radiate all manner of colors. But what I can tell you that there is some color to color that once you match them together, they yield something meaningful. I think I think red or blue gives you green, something like that. So there's some color you miss, it give you another good color. But there's some color you will miss, it become a baribogari. Yes. So you will damage, you will create color that doesn't even exist. That is disharmony. Means disharmony in spiritual terms. So what I'm telling you is that not the type of people you keep, because there's some preference you keep, the negative vibration comes from them, can never normalize what is coming from you. Therefore, it will be disastrous. The relationship will bring what everything will be in shambles, because the two radiation are not compatible. So that's why sometimes if you are experiencing such a thing, you notice that since you started associating with this social person, yeah, everything about you is going backward. You're supposed to be pay attention to whatever that is happening in your life for you to know where their problem started. Ndị Igbo na-atụ Igbo parable says, onye amara ebe mmiri nọ wee bido maọbụ ya ya ebe ọ na-anọkwasị. So you need to use your number 6 to pay attention to all the happenings in your life, so that you will always dictate where your problem comes from. So what am I saying? That negative energy can be attracted by the way you live your life. Then there's another negative vibration casted upon you via spell. That those negative energy is what the witchcraft can bring upon yourself, or maybe someone that is jealous of you can cast spell on you. Yes, but those ones are still subject to the way you live your life also, because if your body vibration is so strong, it will ward off every spell cast upon you. It will, those spell cast upon you will never have a link. What will make them to stay with you? Because if your spiritual arena is so clean, immaculate clean, there is nothing like negativity that will have any anchor to stand within your spiritual arena. Are you getting me? So those negative energy cast upon you can only stand if they find something similar, something iniquity around you, they will anchor. Are you following? So I have explained how 3 types of negative energy that normally come our way. Now, there are some certain things you will do in order to ward off all this negative energy. 1, check the type of your lifestyle. Make sure you don't keep negative people. Yes, you don't keep negative people. Sometimes you perceive negative people from their mindset. Those people that normally come around you, they will always tell you negative things. They will always advise you wrongly. They will always come around. They don't believe in positivity. Everything that comes from them is all about negative, negative, negative. Avoid such people. Such people that will always tell you that you cannot do it, you cannot succeed. They don't believe in you. They always tell you how horrible you are and how you cannot be successful. Avoid those people because they are destiny killers. Are you following? So that is the type of person you keep. Like me, I don't have multiple friends. The only way I will keep you as a friend if you are a type that reason the way I do. Yes, and you a type that believe that because I believe that whatever that is imaginable is achievable. Yes, whatever you can imagine with your mind, you can actually pull it down to manifest in reality. You are the only one that is limiting yourself because you don't believe in power of uh, longing. Whatever you long for, give it 100% shot. Believe in me, it will come to fulfillment. That is my belief. And it will have worked for me tremendously and it will work for you. Only if you can believe and put it into practice. This life you see, some people say life no balance. This life cannot give you what you want if you follow in your hands. Even if you have great destiny, you must work it out. Yes, you grab it. Nobody will serve you power or the goodies you need in the platter of gold. Nobody. You fight for it and grab it. That is why Matthew 7:7 says, seek shall find, ask shall be given unto you, and knock the door will open for you. So it means you make a move. You seek for what you want. You cannot just be sleeping and everything. No man afford anywhere. Yes. So you forget about some of these allegorical story in the Bible. Some of those might, and some of them are storytelling. Yes, that's why I told you that Bible is all about our story book. Sorry, because someone one day I will dedicate time to teach you more about what you need to know about Bible. Bible consists of so many. It contains history, contains might, it contains fictions, it contains the imaginations of some writers, and they bring all of them together. Yes, because the entire concept where I dispute about everything that will tell you the word of God. One day I will dedicate my time to open your eyes so that one day will fall. Then his word of, is not calling it a word of God. Is going too far because some of the words there are not actually from God. Are you following? But I know you don't understand how things work, so you swallow everything. So is there another teaching? There I will open your eyes within the context of what is known today as Holy Bible. The different lecture. So what I can tell you today is life is all about what you long for. You fight for it and you hustle for it. Once you deserve it, believe in me, those things will flow to you back to originator. Let me tell you, do you know some of these great minds don't have time to be watching tele 247? They have so many things that occupy their mind. Yes, because they are not spectators in this world, because they are here to make serious impact. So life is all about seek for wisdom, apply the wisdom, and believe in me, you will be where you want to be. So that is her life for you. So what I'm saying is that those negative energy, you choose the type of friends you want to keep. If you choose to keep people that will always promote laziness to you, and you start believing them and living the life they have already taught you, then you waste your life. But if you are following great minds, people that have already impacted in one way or the other to humanity, then you will make impact. So life is all about what you struggle for. So have the right vision, have the right wisdom, have the right knowledge, then go and dominate. That's what I can tell you. Yes, I will tell you those motivating words, those things you need. Sometimes some people, what they actually need is a motivator, somebody that can actually push them. Go and dominate, because for you to be great is in you. But once you live life that will not really help you, and to attract, and you keep on attracting all those negative vibrations, they will destroy you. Yes, they will destroy you, because they will keep on giving you, attracting more negative energy that will keep destroying you. And at the end of the day, what will be flowing back to you will be more dangerous than what you sow, because nature has a way of giving you multiple fold of whatever you sow. So if you sow goodness, I can tell you will reap more than what you sow. If you sow badness, you reap more than what you sow. That is the law of nature for you. Yes. Even if we plant corn, you agree with me that corn will give you more than what you planted. Maybe you have planted a seed, but you will get bunches of it. Are you following? So what I can tell you is, one, let me tell you how you can run away or save yourself from negative vibrations. Negative vibration, I have told you how it can destroy you. Yes. Now, let me tell you how you can run away from it. One, know the type of friends you keep. Yes. Some of you don't even know that sex is spiritual. The person you exchange your current radiation with can make or mar you. Yes. So if you are not spiritual and you don't know how to detect and be able to scan every human being and know, you ask yourself, why is it that when you are dating this person, or you are having so many, maybe sickness, maybe so many things that will be taking your money away from your pocket, you are going down, but you don't know. Maybe you are not paying attention. Maybe there are some certain people that once you are exchanging current with them, you find out that what you are coming your way is losing. If you are very intelligent enough, you know that this is not the way. So that is why. But that's why I normally tell you, for you to escape, you need to have what I call spiritual exercise. During the spiritual exercise, you'll be able to receive information to block yourself from the power source, so that you keep on recharging your power bank. So, but if you are the type that you don't even plug yourself, you will run low battery. Yes. So pay attention to your spiritual exercise. That is the only time you will be able to recharge yourself and refill yourself, to have more energy for battle ahead. So always have time for your spiritual exercise. If you don't know what spiritual exercise is all about, go to my YouTube channel. You will see some lectures. I have given some lectures in the past concerning how someone can start spiritual exercise and how you can benefit a lot from that exercise. Very helpful, because it contains meditation and restoration and retreat. So it's a very vital opportunity for human being to have what I call soul searching. Soul searching, very important in life, because by so doing we know where you are getting it wrong and what you must do in order to be where you want to be. So that is where you get a vision and knowledge. Yes, and have the ideas on how to pull and push more, and to be able to propel yourself to greater heights. So sometimes you are the cause of your own problem, because man is architect of his own problems. So pay attention to it. Then, having said so that, and you have already understand what I mean by all these things I have told you, then what next will you do? Some people normally say they're normally experiencing cobwebs, experiencing so many backwardness, having negative dreams, and so many things can cause it. Yes, if you are living in a contaminated environment, there is nothing will stop you from receiving the vibrations of this negative aura around you. See what you will do. I will tell you what to do to cleanse up your environment, your rooms, and what to do to cleanse your own body yourself. You can do it yourself. Then, if for any reason you cannot be able to cleanse yourself, then you have to give us money and buy negative energy cleansing soup. Yes, we have them. We can wave it nationwide. So what am I saying? What you will do first of all is this. If you're a type that normally have bad dreams, cobwebs in your own room and whatever. So what you will do, apply this and no peace. What you will do, look for ogilisi. This we call ogilisi leaf. I don't know what you people call it in your own language. Ogilisi leaf, I don't know what you people call it, yes. Ogilisi leaf has a male and female. This one is male ogilisi leaf. Yes. The female ogilisi leaf is a little bit wider. Yes. I don't know what you people call it. We call it fertility leaf in English. So I don't know what you call it in your own language, but this is very powerful. This leaf you are seeing is very spiritual, and has spiritual benefit and earthly benefit. Yes, but now I want to tell you how you can benefit from root. Yes. You see how I plug this one? This one is 5 arms. Yes, I will tell you what to do. What you will do is this. If you want to cleanse your room, maybe you normally have negative vibration, negative dreams and cobwebs in your room. Do this and you know peace. You do this, let's say, once in a week. Once in a week, you keep doing it once in a week. I can tell you that with time, those cobwebs that you normally experience will stop. Yes. Or you can even increase it to 2 times in a week if you can. Then do it consistently for like 8 times, it will stop. Yes. Then after a while you can redo it. Now this is ogilisi leaf. Look for ogilisi leaf that have 5 leaves like this. Then look for salt, small quantity of salt. Then look for alligator pepper. After opening it, you know how to open fresh alligator pepper. If it's still having the fresh one that have not been opened, you put your hand, 2 arms at the back, and make some spoken words, some declaration that anything pepper will never happen in your front. Whatever that will bring tears will never happen in your front. That's why we normally put it at the back. Yes. So because there is power in spoken words. Now look for alligator pepper, look for salt, look for ogilisi leaf, and you are good to go. See what you do. If assuming you are living in a house, a room, apartment. Let me use a room apartment as an example. Open your windows, open your door, because what you want to do now is spiritual work. All work in our channel. Yes. This all more, if it's contacted your spiritualist to come to your house, to come to your mansion, to come to your duplex, to cleanse them off from negative vibration from the out of your compound, believe me, he or she will charge you. Yes, will charge you. But this is something I can teach you, do it yourself. If you are living, assuming you are living in a 1-room apartment, open your doors and windows wide open, and they make declaration that today every negative energy hanging or staying anywhere around this room, that you are today, you are casting them out. Yes, you are cleansing them off. So what you will do, raise your hand as if on and towards the ceiling, as if you are cobwebbing your room. Start from one point, be doing it line by line. That today, all the negative vibration, cleansing them out. We're doing it from one end to the other. Then come back again. Start line by line, as if we are kind of cobwebbing it line by line. Reach to the other point. That is how you'll be doing it line by line, line by line, line by line. Remember what you are doing. Sometimes if we are doing spiritual work, it will look as if we are joking. Yes, but it has worked, and it will work for you if you do this. Now, till you get to the door point, you now make declaration that today you are sweeping them off the room. You do it like this. After that, bring your hand down again. You are the same. You have to repeat the same thing as if you are sweeping your floor. But this time around, you'll be doing them on the air, like above the bed. Yes, you'll be doing it line by line, until you get to the doorpost again, and say that you are sweeping away every negativity in this room. After doing it, as case may be, you can do it 2 times in a week or once in a week. Now, after doing it, go and look for alligator pepper, osoji, 4 seeds. Remove 4 seeds, bring it closer to your mouth, and speak that today going forward, that no negative vibration every place in this room, that we are going for, that negativities has lost their ground in this room. That from today going forward, if we know whatever positive things you want, speak, because there's power in spoken words. And then after doing that, that first seed, take it to one edge of that room. Remember, your room will have like 4 edge. Then do it after one seed, put it to one corner, bring another one, do the same thing, put it in the second corner. Meaning that each room will contain 16 seeds. Now, if you have multiple rooms, please do it in all. Yes. Then after that, look for a pinch of salt. You can use your teaspoon, the tip of salt. Use it. So take small pinch of salt. Then make declaration. Salt is a cleanser. Salt ward off every negative vibration. That today, that this room has been purified. Drop it in one corner. Do the same thing. Drop it in the second corner. Like 4 corners of your room will have one pitch each. Yes. After doing this, now use, if you are in the village, if you can get adequate of pepper like 4 seed, be adding it inside the bathing water. Then if you can get this leaf, yes, get it like 4 pieces of this leaf. You can squeeze it, put it in your bathing water, your bucket. Start squeezing it. What you are looking for is that greenish water that will come out from this leaf. Yes. After doing it well, you notice that your water will turn green. Yes. Then use it to have your bath. Yes. And remember, anytime you have casual sex with somebody that is not your wife, please make sure you cleanse yourself up. Because the cause of your problem can be coming from this sex partner you have. Yes. Remember, like I said, sex is spiritual. Because it's two individuals exchanging currents, negative and positive currents. Be warned. Because sometimes all those things will be happening to you, bringing yourself back. You will be busy accusing your uncle or accusing Eze-Ana that is in your place. Maybe you are accusing your even father that is breaking kola nut, saying it's because of that man. Or even accusing Obi that is your father's house that is responsible for your downfall. But you are the one because of your ignorance. So this thing I said now is not chance. Because of this, some of you that are really, yes, because everything concerning tradition and time it in the I can tell you that what will save you, every tribe you need to use to be great in life is in their land. Even every medicine, I can tell you that every medicine that we suffer here in Igbo land, the medicine is here in Igbo land. That's how God created man. Are you following? Sometimes you will not even know. Ask yourself, before the discovery of orthodox medicine, during the time of Moses, Abraham, all this, during that time, is there anything like orthodox medicine? Are they not living? So that one is another question for you for another day. So what I can tell you that use it to cleanse. Then, after cleansing your room, you can be getting this thing. If you are living in a town, in the village, urban place where you can see it, you can use it to have your bath. If you do this thing for 8 days, believe in me, you will see great changes in your life. That web and bad dream will stop. Are you following? Unless if what brings the negativity or that dream has to do with spiritual, maybe you have committed sacrilegious act. Maybe you have Igbo mad, maybe Igbo mega abortion, maybe you make it harder than also. Yes, that one you need to go up one hour. You need to go and do cleansing. Yes, so on the apple. Then overall here ordinary cleansing. Yeah, yes. Nke a bụ for oral and otu only. Oral and otu only. Repeat after me. Oral and otu only. Negative vibrations. Yes, that comes by the type of friends you live, contacts, relationship, and whatever. That has nothing to do with the alo. Once you commit it, you go to alo first. Then normally, only na abu alo we go put alo out at the same time. That is true. So You use this thing. But if you are living in urban place, maybe you will not find ogilisi leaf. Go and look for brand new broom that I'm not used to. Use brand new broom. Then use osoji to cleanse them off the way we normally use osoji to cleanse whatever I want to use that need to be sacred. Now use that broom. This particular broom whip especially kept at one side for this ritual very often. So use this broom in place of this. If you cannot, maybe you are living abroad and you need to do it. Then look for adequate paper and salt. Then use ordinary broom. Are you following? That is it. So, but for any reason, you don't have access to this one, you don't have access to broom, you can't do it yourself. Then you might have another option. The option again you have is to maybe you can order for our soap. Our soap is highly fortified because the soap contains so many leaves, so many things you cannot even find on your side because you are not a herbalist. So you will not understand some of those things. But if you can see this one, then you can start with this one. It's good to go. But if you cannot get it, then you can order for our cleansing soap and favor soap. We mix them together. Then what am I saying? Always cleanse your environment from time to time. Yes, after doing this one, you will notice that those dreams and the cobweb around your house will stop. But don't forget that at least once in a month, try to cleanse off your compound, your house. It will help you a lot. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, yes, how to cleanse yourself, what is negative energy, and how to cleanse yourself up, please apply this my teaching. It will work for you. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, I speak positivities upon the lives of the friends of the temple and children of the temple, and you, my viewers all over the world. I make some declaration in the name of God Almighty. Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Asị m na ọmaka ga-emere ụnụ. Akakaka ya mụ na chiji ya mụ n'ụlọ ga-adị ka echi maka na echi adị agwụ agwụ onye chụmụrụ ya daa. N'aha Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile onye ihe na-esi n'aka ya bịa. Sitekwara anyị meseji ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ na nkụzi a ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka a gbaa gị afa mmiri emi. Sendelu m meseji na WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. I repeat 0805-7837-672. Maọkwanụ 0813-8243-871. I repeat 0813-8243-871. Asị m na ọ bụrụ na ọnwụ egburu oji eji wee chụ aja emechaa na ọ ya epu ome. Udo dịrị ọnụ.